will be so messy, but I love the definition. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany. So today I'm going to be detangling my hair using flaxseed gel. These are the twist outs from my previous video and I'm now ready to detangle my hair in preparation for washing it. I'm going to start off with rosemary water to make the hair damp so that it becomes easier to detangle. And I'm going to be working in sections. So I'm ensuring I soak my hair with the water before I go in with the flaxseed gel. We need the hair to be fully moisturized so that we can easily detangle it. I'll work with a smaller portion. So this is the flaxseed gel. Will be so messy, so I'll start by finger detangling it, then I'll go in with a comb, and this is to minimize on the breakage. But I love the definition. This looks so nice. So now I'm going to go through my hair with a wide tooth. This is the widest comb that I have. That's what I'm going to go through my hair with. So that's the first section that I've done. On to the next. My hair has a lot of build-up, so yeah, it's really dirty right now. I simply follow these steps throughout the whole detangling process for my hair. I start off with spraying the rosemary water, ensuring that it is properly moisturized, and then I make sure I do a bit of finger detangling before I add the flaxseed gel. The gel needs to coat all the hair strands from the roots to the ends. Then I do a bit more of finger detangling before I go into the hair with a wide tooth comb. And finally, I put it in a chunky twist. So I'm done detangling this side of the head onto this one. This is the amount of hair that I lost throughout the entire detangling process. I even don't know how I'll section my hair. I'll cry. Kiki.